All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to go over how to make uh, objects merge with Pathfinder. So here we go. We're going to go to Window, and we're going to pull down to Pathfinder to get this guy up. This is our new best friend. And I'm going to option drag here to get 2 circles. Now, I'm going to bring back over here, and we're going to overlap. I'm going to change the color of this just so we can see, make sure. Okay, so this guy is on top, and we're going to play with that a little bit. So you're going to need to go Object, Arrange, and just know bring to front, send it back. Um, So we're going to go with Unite first, and that's going to take the characteristics of the one on top and just merge it all into one. So now we just have one shape that was green with the black outline. So that's what Unite does. That's probably one of the most powerful ones, if not the most. But we're going to show you a minus front. So this is going to take the front area and cut it off of the back area. See that? Pretty rad. I'm just hitting Command Z undo, by the way. And then this is intersect. So this is the middle part, the part that is, where these two intersecting, where they are intersecting. So let's do that, and you'll get that middle part. And the next is exclude, which is the opposite of that. You can see these little symbols they've drawn, like little hieroglyphs as to what they do. So yeah, this is leaving. This is getting rid of the intersection part. And now this is up there with Unite. I think it's funny that these two are both on the left because this is a really powerful one. So now it's just cut it up into individual pieces. They are grouped. So you want to go to Object and Ungroup, and then you can move them all around separately. So that that right there is actually really cool. And so let me undo. Okay, we're back. Yes. Now let me grab these, and we're gonna go trim. So trim. They are grouped. I'm going to ungroup. Okay, yeah. I hit ungroup on the keyboard command. So yeah, trim just cuts them out. Like if you were to cut them out like a piece of paper. But if you have a third one, I'm going to make a third color here. And now merge almost looks like trim, but um, merge will combine things that are the same color um, and not that are a different color like this. See that? So it made this into one and left that one as 2. And you can still grab that. I'm using a direct select tool. You don't have to ungroup them if you do that. And so now I've got okay, we're back. Gonna get those out of here. And okay, that was merge. We're gonna go to crop. You'll see what this does. It's gonna stick it inside of that circle. So it's just said, hey, this is going in there, or whatever was on top. We've got outline. This is a good one. This gives you like the full, like the real outline of everything. So it's grouped. So object ungroup, and now you've got each little piece as an outline. This would have been connected if you use divide. So yeah, each little outline, literally an outline of your object. And now minus back. This is just like the minus front one, but it's going to cut out whatever's in back, and like that. And that is that. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave a comment. Thanks, and see you next time.